The 3D Experience Works Simulation Portfolio provides comprehensive all-physics, all-scale simulation solutions for evaluating how your product will behave in real life. With this portfolio, available on the 3D Experience platform on the cloud, you can get the benefits of early virtual testing to assess product performance and quality with confidence. Our design is coming from Square Robot, an innovative company building systems for submerged oil and gas inspections. Such a system is designed for tough jobs in harsh environments. It has to be safe and reliable. Starting from SOLIDWORKS, you can connect to the 3D Experience platform using a unique and integrated workflow that enables you to easily save, manage, and share your design and simulation data in a secure cloud-based environment. But the robot is nothing without its sensors. After all, the main function of the robot is to inspect the integrity of oil and gas tanks, and it needs a multitude of sensors for that purpose. An electromagnetic antenna sensor can be used to detect small imperfections or irregularities in the tank that are difficult to detect with camera or ultrasound sensors. However, the harsh operating environment of the robot also poses challenges for the antenna design. 3D Experience Works Simulation Portfolio also offers a solution for the electromagnetic simulation for the antenna design, positioning, and performance evaluation once installed on the robot. You can design the standalone antenna and optimize its performance to the desired functional criteria, taking into account the operating environment and the various electromagnetic material properties of the oil or gas in which it needs to function. Or, you can collaborate with colleagues who are antenna design experts and can perform that task and then upload the results for your review to the 3D Experience platform. Once the antenna design is ready, it can easily be integrated to the sensor array of the robot, and its installed performance can be verified. Thanks to the guided workflows and intuitive user interface, setting up the meshing and simulation is available to all users, from designers to simulation experts. Here's another example. Being a market leader, IDH tractors are pursuing autonomous alternatives which require the integration of electromagnetic components. With the Electromagnetics Engineer role, virtual testing can be performed to determine the best antenna placement to optimize performance and reduce the electromagnetic compatibility risk. Engineers can easily track simulation data, analyze key performance indicators, and organize results on dashboards for enterprise-wide collaboration. The Simulation Portfolio offers a scalable, connected, and powerful solution for all designers and engineers, so they can assess product performance easier and faster than ever. With structural, fluid flow, plastic injection, and electromagnetic simulations, you are empowered to get the right technical insights you need for a new and innovative product development process. With Dassault Systèmes Solutions, you can streamline your design and simulation process today to produce the products of tomorrow.